What's good, y'all? We jumping straight into another video today. I know it's been a hot minute, but your boy is back. Today is a little different. We're doing an install video today. Extremeonlinestore has sent us a brand new front lip. I'm rocking this gloss black lip right now. It's been cracked, you know, I kind of chipped it in the middle just from scraping. And also, I got some carbon side skirts as well. I'm going to do a complete install video. It should be super easy. This kit is really just plug and play. You just put a couple bolts in. I believe it's self-tapper screws and it goes straight in. I just took off my front gloss black splitter. It was held in by, I want to say 9 screws. I wasn't really counting. They were kind of rusted in. I could show you guys. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it just keeps going all the way around the car. So since that's off the car, I cleaned underneath. So when I put the 3M tape, it should be a clean little finish. But yeah, that's the old splitter. Don't need that no more. And now the new splitter. Goodness gracious, look at this carbon fiber, guys. I can't wait to see what it looks like on the car. They actually supply a lot of 3M tape. It's about 2 rolls and it's plenty. I even got leftover. I don't think I'm gonna put more. Might put another one on the middle, but the sides plus the self-tapping screws, I think that's plenty. On my original one, it only had like 1. Let me see. Yeah, it just had like 1 big piece. No, the middle had 2. So I might put more in the middle. But besides that, I think that's plenty with the self-tapping screws. I just wanted to show you guys something. On the ends of the corners of the car is these bolts that come factory, OEM. Let me see. Okay. Yeah, you see the bolt back there? It literally aligns on the left and right side. Both sides has it. And once you have the bolt tightened, you can put the screws in. So it can be automatically straight. You don't have to worry about the front splitter not being straight or it being crooked or anything. So shout out to Extremeonlinestore, shout out to Corvette for this. Like, this is super easy, way easier than installing a splitter on my TL. So all I'm gonna do is just take off the 3M tape now and tighten those bolts in the corner and just start plugging the screws in. I just put the front splitter on the car. It's held on by 3M tape, and as well as these corner screws that we're talking about are the corner bolts. So everything is mounted flush and perfect. I love it. It came out amazing. So right now I just gotta grab the bag of self-tapping screws and just plug them up to all the pre-cut holes that they have made along the front bumper. So my bumper didn't have that many as what came in this bag, so I guess the previous person who had my car didn't put all of them, but I'm gonna see how many I'm gonna use. All right, so this front splitter is installed. Super easy, like I said. All the screws are at the bottom, lined up. Yeah, this anybody could do this. So if you're interested in getting a front splitter and you don't want to go through the hassle of cutting your bumper or taking your bumper off, this is literally the easiest process. This is like the easiest splitter I've ever put on, and I put on many splitters before in the past. So yeah, go to Extremeonlinestore, tell me your boy Curly C6 sent you. I was gonna do the side skirts. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I got to like 2 bolts on the side and they're like rusted on there. So I think I'm gonna save that for another day and just keep this as a splitter install video. So yeah, if you guys stay to the end of this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I make a lot of content and I promise y'all I'm gonna be back in the game. Appreciate my boy Todd. He's been pushing me to make these YouTube videos, and I was like, you know what, today I'm gonna just keep pushing them out. So I got a couple of things. I haven't even told y'all what I've done to the car because it's been like what, 6-7 months since I posted. So yeah, your boy is back. Huge shout out to Extremeonlinestore for supplying me with this splitter, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.